Welcome to Digital Ace Tech. This is Samir, and today I'm going to simplify digital marketing for you. Let's assume that the internet is a country. This country consists of 4.33 billion active users as of today, with that number consistently growing. So, would you be interested in marketing your product, service, brand, even yourself to more than 4.33 billion potential customers? If so, you've come to the right place. Digital marketing is a simple three-step process. Don't let these fancy long texts and books and courses all over the internet confuse you. Digital marketing is nothing but leveraging the power of internet to drive sales and get more customers / viewers / traffic to your brand. The process of digital marketing is even simpler. It is simply defining your targeted audience in the world of internet. Step 2 of that process is to attract your targeted audience using content, quality content, like this video itself. And finally, step 3 is to make the sale. You continue to repeat until your desired results are met. Once again, the 3 steps are: identify your targeted audience. Step 2, attract your targeted audience using quality content. Step 3 is to make that sale. Repeat over and over until your results are met. In my next video, I will be talking about and simplifying for you the 7 platforms that are used in the world of digital marketing. Do like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for tuning in. Once again, this is Samir, and you were watching Digital Ace Tech, where your potential is our passion.